तो हम आज आपको लेकर आए हैं द वाइट फ्लावर रिजॉर्ट इन कॉर्बेट। तो देखते हैं ये कैसा है, लेट्स सी। सो लेट्स एंटर टू द रिजॉर्ट। सो ये है रिसेप्शन एरिया। तो आप देखते हैं इसका रिसेप्शन एरिया एंड इट गिव्स अस द क्रिसमस वाइब। इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटीफुल। हेलो एवरीवन, तो आज हम आए हैं वाइट फ्लावर रिजॉर्ट एंड एज यू कैन सी दैट द मोस्ट यूनिक थिंग they have in their resort is a mini golf area where you can play the golf and enjoy your vacations and the activities where you can enjoy with your families as well. These are the most unique resort activity which no other resort in Jim Corbett have. So now we will show you the base category rooms of the White Flower Resort. Let's see how it is. And as you can see that there is a sit out area as well. So this is the base category deluxe room. It is having a spacious room and a double bed, a sit out, and all the amenities like you can have a mini fridge also, tea coffee maker, kettle, and LED TV, and a spacious washroom also with all the amenities. This is the next higher category of the resort, that is jasmine rooms. As you can see, it gives you the feel of the color. As you can see the colors, textures of the rooms and interior, and it's quite spacious also. It is having a wardrobe with a room heater also, as it's a winter. And this is the washroom. As you can see, all the amenities and toiletries, hot and cold water supply, and quite spacious also. I guess have the bathroom also. So the room category of Jasmine, it is the pool view rooms. Like all the rooms having a pool view, whether you are having a ground flooring or a first floor. All the rooms having a pool view, so you can sit and enjoy from sit out area of your rooms directly the pool side. So guys, this is the poolside area of White Flower Resort. As you can see, the pool is very spacious and very big in size. They are having two separate pools, which is the pool area for the kids and this is for the adults. And as you can see, rooms. If you are taking the poolside rooms, you can directly jump into the pool and enjoy your vacations. So guys, the another USP of this resort is the game which so many people are love to enjoy and love to play, the chess. Yes, so you can play outside in an open area and enjoy the indoor, or we can see the outdoor activities. So many resorts having chess with a table and normally a short chess play game, but they have invented the open area chess where you can play with your kids, your family, and all your adults as well. The banquet hall, which is named Aranya, and it is quite spacious banquet hall. Let's see. So this is the room category which named the tulip room. It is a kind of family room where you can adjust with two adults and two kids, as they have a sofa cum bed which can be open in the night, and a sitting area and a proper balcony perfect balcony sit out area, and you can see the whole resort view from the balcony itself. Also, the resort from this balcony, you can see the beautiful view of Hanuman Dham. It's the washroom area with all the modern amenities. As you can see, it is also quite a spacious room. There is a geyser, hot and cold. Both the supplies of water are there. So guys, this is the most demandable room in Corbett. Why I'm saying this? Because this is the family room, which is 2 rooms at a one place. So this is the first room, and now we'll show you the second one. There is an interconnected door in between both the rooms. They both having a double bed, a sofa, and all the amenities same in room. So guys, this is the restaurant which called Veranda. So you can see, like you can sit inside also, and you can sit outside and enjoy your feet with the beautiful view and the beautiful scenic view of the resort as well, and the surroundings. Like the Hanuman Dham is the nearest activity you can do, and other places you can listen the wildlife whispering, and of course the best and the most important thing in Corbett, that the weather and the nature. So now it's time to eat the food, and now we are tasting the delicious crispy corn at White Flower Resort Restaurant. And the food is, yes, no doubt delicious, and they have a multi-cuisine restaurant where you can either eat in your buffet meals or you can order on a la carte as per your choice.